How to make a legal document with Faswet. Enter faswet.com. On account, register with your data or log in with your user. Enter the main menu of the user and select the option Create Your Intelligent Contract. A window will appear where you must choose one of your addresses to confirm the cost of the operation. Then select Legal Document and click OK. A new window will appear where you must enter your name, the title you want to give the legal document, and the description of the document to be created. Specify the obligation you wish to acquire. Your KYC will appear automatically, or you can upload a photo of your identification document. Click Create. Once the contract is created, you can share it with whoever you need via WhatsApp or email. If you want to share it by other means, click on the Copy button. This will copy the hash code that you can then paste into any media you need to share. To see the contract created, go to the main menu of the user and select My Smart Contract. A new window will appear. Enter Confirmed and choose the contract you want to see. Now that you have the answer, make it real. Make it Faswet.